Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get beautiful concealer if you're over 40. First thing, eye prep. Dr. Sam, and this is her Flawless Brightly Eye Serum. It is amazing. A tiny pump on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to apply this underneath the eye area and blend it in with my finger. What makes this product so unique is it's a hybrid between skincare and magic. It has this really pretty light reflecting qualities that when placed under concealer does amazing things. Next up, concealer. We're going to be using NARS. Dot the concealer in 2 dots underneath the eye. Now take a brush and start to move this product under the eye area. Remember, what you blend extends. That's why we only use 2 dots to begin with, and we blend it outwards. You see just those 2 dots, and you can see how bright that under eye area is, and we didn't need to use a lot. Next, take a tissue and a sponge, and just gently press underneath and over anywhere you place the concealer. This just absorbs any excess oils and pigment. Next, take a powder. I'm going to use RCMA, and this is their no color powder. Take a very small amount on a nice fluffy brush. Now gently tap where the concealer was. Don't apply a lot of product, there's no need. Now with your tissue, spray it with some setting spray. Just a couple of times. You don't need a lot. Now, gently pat over the powder. And finally, take your tissue, put it back into with your sponge, and just tap around the edges. And you'll see there's now very little on the tissue. That's how you set your concealer. When you're over 40, it will look flawless, beautiful, perfect, won't crease, and it looks realistic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.